So today, thank you for coming to Nona's Nutty Crafts. And today we're going to do a science experiment. And it's going to have to deal with a block of ice that you can freeze. We have some, they each have one. Some food coloring, one of each color. Some Epsom salt. Now, if you don't want to use the food coloring, you can put it in a little container, and then they can take, we have eyedroppers if you want to use that. We also have some regular salt that we're going to use as well. Okay, so what we're going to look today is the reaction to how the different items work on the ice. So we're going to do the salt last. So everybody pick a color. And what you're going to look at and you're going to tell me is when you squeeze one drop and tell me what you see. What color do you see? Yep, just put it on the ice. Put it off to one side so you can see. What does it look like?
A galaxy.
Can you see anything from there? Nope, it's not all the way down because it's ice. But what color do you see?
Papa.
See, look at Bailey's. Bailey's kind of spreads out a little bit. So you can tilt it and spread it. Put the ice, put this down. Cover that back up. So does it look like it's all in one space or is it spreading out? Kind of like spidery. So we're looking for what they call the physical reaction. So that means when you put two things together, two chemicals or two mixes together, what do you see? So what do you see? What does that look like?
Kind of like a tie-dye or a leaf.
Kind of like tie-dye, yeah. Don't put it all over because we're going to do more.
Mine looks like a lizard.
Yeah, it looks like a what? A lizard? Great. Okay, so let's try a different food color. Try a different one. Whatever color you want. You're going to do green and you're going to do what color? Red?
Green.
One drop. Ooh.
Whoa. I can see through this.
So you see how hers is spreading out, the red? Wow. And then we got green, but yours isn't just green, is it?
Clear.
It's clear, but it looks yellow.
Yeah.
So it's like green and yellow. Ooh, look at how I like how her purple came out. See how it spread it out? So it's like light purple and dark purple. Ooh, that's even cool. Can you guys see like the spider veins? So what it is, that does that because there's holes in the ice, so the color is seeping down into it. Kind of looks like this is almost like a volcano, and that's all the roots, rather. Wow.
Mine looks like...
What does yours look like?
Like some tie-dye.
Tie-dye again? Oh, yeah, it does.
Wait, do you hear that noise?
Huh?
Yeah, that noise?
Hers is kind of like sizzling almost.
Is it sizzling? It's
Sounds
cracking?
Like it.
Yeah. Can I
Oh,
see
my
the cracks?
gosh.
See?
All right, watch the things. All right, take another color.
Green.
I'm gonna do
I'm going to
blue.
Leave a space so we can do the salts.
I'm going to do the blue after you.
Okay, come on. Just pull it off, Cassidy. Don't squeeze. Just pull it off. Pull off the lid. There you
Whoa.
go. Ooh.
It looks like ice.
It's going all through the cracks.
It's melted.
Yeah, well, the ice is going to melt after a while, too.
That's cool.
Look at that.
Wow.
It looks like some grass.
Grass?
Okay, this looks like.
Oh, look at the side.
Oh, it looks kind of like a house on the ocean.
House on the ocean?
Yeah, see, look, it's like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Can I have the blue down?
So see, we'll show you Bailey's. See other colors?
Oh.
Oh, look at the colors are
It
mixing.
looks like waves.
And this is Cassidy's. Okay, you can do blue, just okay. That's enough drops.
Mine looks like ice.
It looks like ice.
Can I
Yeah,
Look at all the
'cause-
spider veins.
I'm
Look
gonna
at
do
all the
this
little
color.
veins it does.
Here. Whoa.
I'll probably like
Now
some
we're
It's
gonna
adding
do
into
this.
that color.
That's the red.
Yeah, it's adding into this.
Yeah.
no.
Kind of making rainbows. Don't
Yeah.
they look like rainbows?
And this one looks like a darkish ice.
Hmm.
And you see like it's cracking, right?
Yeah.
The food color's cracking.
The food color is cracking because it's going down in all those little cracks in the ice.
This looks like a.
All right, now the space that you don't have anything on, now you can use your fingers if you want to. Now don't put it all, just find this one space because we still have to do this. And just put it in one space. Just drop some in there and tell me what you notice. You can put a little bit more. What do you guys, you can put a little bit more, Bailey. How's that? Is it doing anything?
It's turning clear.
It's turning clear.
Yeah,
Is it
light up
melting?
here. It's melting.
Yeah.
My-
Cassidy's did really good. Hers, she put all hers right there and it melted the ice.
No, like it's like sinking in,
Yeah, sinking in.
and then the colors are sinking in with it.
That's true.
And then the food coloring is like mixing purple, which is already purple.
So let's try a little bit of salt. I'll put some in your hand. Whoop.
Whoa.
You might as well use it.
Like here?
Wherever you want to put it, yeah.
I'm going
It's-
to.
okay, so what happens with the salt?
So when this with the food coloring, it looks like snowflakes,
Snowflakes?
and then
It's turning a color.
Yours is turning color. Yeah, Cassidy's turn because she put it in the middle. But it melts
And
the
melts it.
snow. So salt and water makes what kind of water?
I'll be right
Salt
back.
water.
Exactly.
With food coloring.
So if you were to take salt water from the ocean
I'll be right
and
back.
sit it in a container and let it stay there for a while, all the water would go away, evaporate, and you would just have salt left. Did you know that?
No.
Mhm.
And
So,
I got this, so we can put water.
no, we don't need that though. We're not using that. So when ice thaws, that means when it melts and refreezes, it makes a crackling sound,
Yeah.
right? So
They go do
sometimes they'll use the salt and the ice melt sidewalks
We're gonna
because
use this one.
that will help melt the ice when it's cold out in the wintertime.
Whoa!
Oh, look at my purple.
It's my tablet.
So now put whatever colors you want. I really like how this came out. This came out. Oh, yours
Whoa,
is
it looks
melting.
even cooler now.
You can take the food color and just go around, but look at all the little veins in there. Now you mix it. Now all the colors are missing. Don't let it come out.
I'm gonna add.
So yours went underneath too because your ice is melting. So that's Cassidy's. All her ice, her coloring is going to the bottom.
I'm going to
Well, I
use
just
some.
added the purple and it did that.
Sure.
Oh, look at yours.
What are the
Huh?
colors of the rainbow? Do you know, Cassidy?
Yeah, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Perfect. You got it, girl.
Oh, look. It's
So
like,
when that makes brown,
Can I see this?
when you put like 3 colors together, so like you got green, see how it's coming out more brown with the purple and the darker and the
oh,
greens?
oh. So see the little things I have, right? And it glows.
Because, oh, look at all the little, look at this one, how it looks like it's
Yeah.
gone down like little
Yeah, mine
spears
did
down there.
that too.
Yeah.
Like what icicles.
Isn't that cool? So you
Yeah,
can
I
also
like
use
that.
rock salt with this besides the Epsom salt and the regular salt. You can use rock salt too, which we didn't have.
Oh, the red looks like some blood a little bit.
Mmm.
Blood. But this side, the icy side looks like, oh my god, no. Oh my god.
Okay, don't turn that upside down.
And this blue side looks like ice.
Yeah, looks like blue ice.
And now I'm gonna add some green, which will make me good.
Mine looks so cool.
Ooh, all the dots.
There you go.
So the salt, when things are frozen, what it does, because it's so cold, the ice, that the salt reduces it or makes it lower in the freezing, and that's why it melts it.
It's like lines down there.
Yeah, you can see it. Your ice is melting, so it's going to get all liquidy on the top. Woo, you see all the little veins? Whoops, I don't want to dump it out. Oops.
Where did
Some
we
more
get
Epsom
this one?
salt. Well, you could use that if you wanted to. But
Yeah, I probably go and suck all my food color and
I think you got enough food coloring in there. Let's show them yours. All the colors. She's got more rainbow looking ones. See? So this is a really easy science experiment that you can do with kids. Now Cassidy's 5 and Bailey's 9. Almost 9. She'll be 9 next week.
Yeah.
But this is a really easy science experiment.
Like my ice is almost like full,
Yeah?
and the bottom is not.
No? Okay.
But the bottom is gonna suck all the color,
Uh-huh.
and then it's gonna be plain light.
Okay.
Light.
All right. So that's going to end our science experiment from today. So we hope you enjoyed it from Nona's Nutty Crafts. Can you guys wave and say goodbye? Bye.